So this is a super quick hands-on with the recently announced Xiaomi Mi 8 Pro, which is finally available outside of China for the very first time. Xiaomi's first foray into the UK market is important as the company are heading to the US for a taster event right at the start of December, where they might be testing to see if there is enough interest stateside before a major launch in the future. Back to the device, which we expect will be at that New York event, and this packed in some impressive specs for a sub £500 price, which equates to around about $650. You get a Snapdragon 845 chipset, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and a dual 12MP rear-facing camera setup. So far it's not too bad at all. The design is most definitely influenced by the iPhone, there's no doubt about that, but the transparent backplate design is easily the most striking aspect of the device. That said, the backplate does act as a facade as the real chipset is hidden from view, but it's definitely a cool look that enhances the overall appeal of the Mi 8 Pro. Now talking about the display, it's a full HD Plus panel that didn't seem to get all that bright in the event lighting, and it will be interesting to see how that holds up with a proper review unit. The same can be said of the camera. I was unable to really test the camera at the event, but the bold claims of Xiaomi of the capabilities of the dual 12MP camera have me interested in seeing just what they are capable of. Now in terms of software, I didn't find MIUI 10 on top of Android 8.1 Oreo all that great to use, to be honest with you. In truth, I do feel like it should be shipping with Android 9.0 Pie at this point in time. The in-display fingerprint reader seemed a little slower during my time with the device than the OnePlus 6T and the Mate 20 Pro, but it will be interesting to test that more thoroughly. My biggest concern, except for MIUI 10, will be the 3000 mAh battery, which seems to be small given that many flagships are heading towards that 4000 mark and beyond at this point in 2018. That said, overall the hardware is pretty compelling given the price, but as with any hands-on event period, it's really difficult to gauge just how well the device will hold up in the real world. If you do have any questions about the device, then post them down below and I'll be happy to answer them. As for the Mi 8 Pro, would you like to see it head to the US along with all other Xiaomi devices? Well, we'd love to know your thoughts. Remember to subscribe to see more Android and Google related news and for our full review of the Mi 8 Pro in the coming weeks. Until next time, this is Damien for 9to5Google saying thanks for watching and I will speak to you later.